Christmas tree. And look what we found. Oh boy. Her name is Sugar. Santa left us a note somewhere. Here's the note. It tells us all about Sugar. And that we're supposed to take care of her.
Should I take her off of this jump collar and just put on a regular collar?
I don't know. We got 2 collars.
Oh my gosh, you got me a puppy?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Blake, my friend. Oh, she likes you, Blake. She likes you. Let's go see Laura. Your mom's got me a puppy? Well, we'll see what's going on.
Santa brought the puppy.
Oh my god, it's awesome. I'm so gonna play with him all day. A girl puppy. She's only a puppy. 9 months old. Really?
Her name is Sugar.
Be a horse of a dog. You gotta hold the leash so she don't jump out on you. Yeah. Be careful. Wanna go see if we can get mad at her?
Her name is Sugar.
Come on, let's go see. Wake up, because guess what we got? And he's in your room right now.
Oh. It's at her. And her name is Sugar.
Puppy dog.
Oh, who is that? Who is that?
Turn off this big light.
My brother.
That's my girl.
Say hi. Say hi, biggest brother.
The best
Christmas
ever.
Get in there, Laura.
What you doing?
Guess how old Sugar is?
9 months.
9 months. That's a picture right there, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
I love you, Sugar.
Sugar, oh honey, honey, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you, honey, oh sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. I just can't believe the loveliness of loving you. I just can't believe it's true. I just can't believe the wonder of this feeling too. I just can't believe it's true. Ah, sugar.